Hi everyone, Lilly Ruiz here, and today I'm going to make a little long video, but it's going to be very useful, especially if you are looking to purchase a home in 2024 when market conditions might fluctuate a bit. Here are 5 tips to consider, and if you would like to stay with me till the end, I'm going to have an extra bonus tip. Today we're going to talk about assessing your financial situation, researching the market, getting pre-approved for a mortgage, and considering long-term needs, and also working with a reliable realtor. Now remember, assessing your financial situation thoroughly before buying a home is crucial to ensure you're prepared for the financial responsibilities that come with home ownership. So here's a detailed breakdown of what to consider. Savings for a down payment. You must determine how much money you have saved for a down payment. Most lenders require a down payment typically ranging from 3 to 20% of the home's purchase price, depending on the type of mortgage you qualify for and of course other factors. So you must calculate what percentage of the home's purchase price you can afford to put down and ensure you have those funds available. Income stability. Evaluate your income stability. Lenders typically look for steady employment and income history when approving for a mortgage. Consider factors such as job security, potential for career advancement, and any foreseeable changes in your income. A stable income stream will help you qualify for a mortgage and manage ongoing expenses. Ability to afford mortgage payments. Determine how much you can realistically afford to pay each month towards your mortgage. A general rule of thumb is that your monthly mortgage payments should not exceed 28-31% of your gross monthly income. So use a mortgage calculator to estimate your monthly payments based on different loan terms, interest rates, and down payment amounts. Consider how these payments fit into your overall budget and lifestyle. You also must consider additional costs like closing fees. Factor in closing costs, which typically range from 2 to 5% of the home's purchase price. These fees include expenses such as loan origination fees, appraisal fees, title insurance fees, attorney fees, and escrow fees. Now, some of the additional costs are property taxes. Research the property tax rates in the area where you plan to buy. Property taxes can vary significantly by location and can add a substantial amount to your monthly housing expenses. Maintenance. Budget for ongoing maintenance and repairs for your home. Plan for expenses such as HVAC, lawn care, plumbing repairs, and other routine upkeep tasks. It is very wise to set aside funds each month for unexpected repairs and maintenance to avoid financial strain down the line. By carefully evaluating these financial aspects, you can determine your readiness to buy a home and make informed decisions about the type of property you can actually afford and the associated expenses you will need to manage as a homeowner. Research the market. Stay informed about the real estate market trends in the area you're interested in. Look at factors like property values, demand, and supply. This information can help you negotiate effectively and make a well-informed decision. Property values are very important. Investigate recent sales data and trends for properties in the area you're interested in. Look at both historical and current property values to understand how they have fluctuated over time. Analyze factors such as average sales prices, price per square foot, and median sales prices. Compare the prices of similar properties to get a sense of what constitutes a fair market value for the type of home you are considering. A great realtor will be able to put a CMA for you prior to even writing an offer. and it will include all of these factors. Demand. Let's talk about demand. Assess the demand for homes in the area. Look at metrics such as the average time home stays on the market before being sold. These are the days on the market, of course, the number of pending sales, and the number of active listings. High demand relative to supply can indicate a competitive market where properties may sell quickly and command higher prices. Conversely, low demand may lead to more negotiable prices and less competition among buyers. Now let's talk supply. You must evaluate the inventory of homes available for sale in the area. Determine the number of active listings and the rate at which new listings are coming on the market. A low inventory of homes relative to demand may lead to increased competition among buyers and higher prices. Conversely, a high inventory of homes may give buyers more negotiating power and lead to lower prices. Market trends. Stay abreast of market trends and forecast for the local real estate market. Consider factors such as economic indicators, employment rates, population growth, and infrastructure development that could impact property values and demand in the area. Pay attention to any emerging trends such as shifts in buyers' preferences or changes in housing supply that could influence your decision to buy. Negotiation strategies. Armed with market research, develop effective negotiation strategies. Use your knowledge of property values, your realtor will do that, demand and supply to make competitive offers and negotiate favorable terms with the sellers. So have a conversation with your realtor about everything that I just mentioned and be prepared to act quickly in a competitive market, but also be willing to walk away if the terms aren't favorable or if the property is ridiculously overpriced. By thoroughly researching the real estate market in the area you're interested in, you can gain valuable insights that will help you make informed decisions, negotiate effectively, and ultimately find the right home at the right price. Next, we are going to talk about getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Of course, before you start house hunting, get pre-approved for a mortgage. This not only gives you a clear idea of how much you can afford, but also demonstrates the sellers that you are indeed a serious buyer, potentially giving you an advantage in negotiations. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage is a critical step in the home buying process, offering several advantages. Now, let's talk about understanding affordability. Mortgage pre-approval provides you with a clear understanding of how much you can afford to spend on a home. Lenders will review your financial information, including income, assets, debts, and credit history to determine the maximum loan amount they're willing to offer you. This information helps you narrow down your home search to properties that actually align with your budget, saving you both time and effort. Strengthening negotiating power. A pre-approval letter from a lender demonstrates to sellers that you are a serious and financially qualified buyer. In competitive real estate markets where multiple offers are very common, having a pre-approval can give you a competitive edge over other buyers who haven't yet secured financing. They should not even be looking for a home, honestly. Sellers are more likely to consider offers from pre-approved buyers because they have greater confidence that the transaction will proceed smoothly. It's real estate. Listen, things happen, so not every transaction is going to be smooth, but now next, identifying potential issues. Going through the pre-approval process allows you to identify and address any potential issues with your credit or financial profile early on the transactions. If the lender discovers any red flags during the pre-approval process, such as low credit score or high debt-to-income ratio, you'll have the opportunity to have corrective actions, such as improving your credit score or paying down debt before you start house hunting in earnest. It helps streamlining the closing process. Pre-approval streamlines the mortgage application and closing process once you find a home you want to purchase. Since much of the legwork, such as gathering financial documents and completing the initial underwriting process, is already done during the pre-approval time, the time between signing a purchase agreement and closing on the home may be much shorter. This can be very advantageous, especially in a competitive market where sellers prefer buyers who can close quickly. To get pre-approved for a mortgage, follow these steps. Research and compare mortgage lenders to find one that offers competitive rates and terms. Gather financial documents including pay stubs, W-2s, tax returns, bank statements, and information about any outstanding debts you might have. Contact the lender and submit your financial information for review. Now await the lender's decision and receive your pre-approval letter, which outlines the maximum loan amount you qualify for based on your financial profile. Listen, by getting pre-approved for a mortgage before you start house hunting, you can streamline the home buying process, gain a competitive advantage, and ensure you're shopping within your budgetary constraints. Next thing I'm going to talk about is consider your long-term needs. Think about your future plans and how they align with the home you're considering. Consider factors like neighborhood, proximity to amenities, schools, and your workplace. Assess whether property meets your current and future needs. Considering your long-term needs when buying a home is essential to ensure that your investment remains suitable and meets your lifestyle requirements over time, not just now. So here's a detailed breakdown of factors you should consider. Neighborhood. Evaluate the neighborhood where the property is located. Consider factors such as safety, crime rates, proximity to parks or green spaces, whatever it's important to you, noise levels, and overall quality of life. Research the neighborhood's demographics, community amenities, and future development plans to gauge its long-term desirability. Proximity to amenities. Assess the property's proximity to essential amenities such as grocery stores, restaurants, healthcare facilities, and public transportation if that's important to you. Consider your lifestyle preferences and daily routines to determine how convenient the location is for your needs. Think about whether you prefer urban, suburban, or rural living and choose a location that aligns with your preferences. Schools. If you have children or plan to start a family in the future, research the quality of schools in the area. Look at school ratings, academic performance, extracurricular activities, and any special programs or resources that are being offered. If you don't have children, the quality of nearby schools can impact property values and resale potential. Work commute. Evaluate the property's proximity to your workplace and transportation options available. Consider factors such as commute time, traffic patterns, public transportation access, and commuting cost. A shorter commute can improve your quality of life and save you time and money in the long run. Future growth and development. Consider the potential for future growth and development in the area. Research any planned infrastructure projects, zoning changes, or new developments that could impact property values and neighborhood dynamics. While growth can bring benefits such as increased property values and improved amenities, it is essential to assess how it may affect your long-term enjoyment of the property. Now, property feature and size. Evaluate the features and layout of the property to ensure it meets your current and future needs. It's so many times people did not plan or did not take in consideration the future needs that they might have, and they were very unhappy on the home that they purchased. So consider factors such as the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, the size of the lot, outdoor space, and any potential for expansion or renovation. So think about your lifestyle, how it may evolve over time, and whether the property can accommodate those changes. By considering these factors and assessing how well the property aligns with your long-term needs and goals, you can make a more informed decision and choose a home that will serve you well for years to come, not just now. Next thing I'm going to talk about is working with a reliable realtor. A good real estate agent can be invaluable in navigating the complexities of buying a home. They can offer you expertise, guide you through the process, and advocate for your best interests. So look for an agent with a solid reputation and experience in the local market. Listen, working with a reliable real estate agent can significantly simplify the home buying process and ensure that you find the right property at the best possible terms. So here's a detailed explanation why a good real estate agent is essential and how to find one. Expertise and guidance. A reputable real estate agent brings valuable expertise and knowledge of the local market to the table. They can provide insights into neighborhood trends, property values, and market conditions that may affect your buying decisions. Their experience allows them to navigate the complexities of the real estate transaction process efficiently, saving you time and effort. A great realtor can offer market insights and access. Real estate agents have access to comprehensive databases and resources that provide up-to-date information on available properties, including listings that may not be publicly available. They can help you identify suitable properties that meet your criteria and arrange viewings to tour them. Their knowledge of the market enables them to spot potential opportunities and advise you on competitive pricing and negotiating strategies. Negotiation skills. A skilled real estate agent acts as your advocate during the negotiation process, working to secure the best possible terms and price for the property you're interested in. They have experience in negotiating with sellers and their agents, and can use their expertise to handle counteroffers, contingencies, and other negotiation tactics effectively. Their goal is to protect your interests and ensure a successful outcome. Local network and resources. Established real estate agents typically have a network of contacts and resources, including lenders, inspectors, contractors, and other professionals involved in the buying process, title companies, you name it. They can recommend reputable service providers and coordinate necessary inspections and repairs to ensure a smooth transaction from start to finish. Their connection can expedite the process and help address any issues that arise along the way. Personalized support. A good real estate agent takes the time to understand your unique needs, preferences, and priorities. They listen to your concerns, they answer your question, and they can provide personalized guidance and support tailored to your specific situation. Remember, every single transaction is going to be different. So whether you are a first-time home buyer or an experienced investor, they work collaboratively with you to achieve your real estate goals. To find a reliable real estate agent, you may seek recommendation from friends, family, or colleagues who have recently bought or sold a home in the area. You can research online reviews and testimonials to assess agents' reputation and track records. Make sure you verify that the agent is licensed and affiliated with a reputable brokerage and is familiar with the local market. Remember, by partnering with a reliable real estate agent, you can gain peace of mind knowing that you have a knowledgeable ally by your side, guiding you through every step of the home buying process and advocating for your best interests. And finally, as a bonus, bring a realtor when visiting builder home sites. When considering new construction home, it's crucial to bring a real estate agent with you when visiting those builder home sites. While it might seem convenient to visit on your own, having a realtor by your side offers several advantages such negotiation support. You must remember that builders have often have their own sales representatives who work to protect the builder's interests, not yours. Having your realtor present ensures you have someone advocating for your best interests during negotiations and not the builder's best interest. A realtor can help negotiate upgrades, incentives, and contract terms that benefit you. Understanding contracts. New construction contracts can be very complex and filled with legal jargon. Your realtor can review the contract with you, explain the terms, and ensure that you understand your rights and obligations before signing. Remember, this is very important. Don't sign anything and then try to bring a realtor to review those documents. Let them review everything before you sign the documents. They can also identify any clauses that may be unfavorable to you, and they can negotiate changes with the builder. Remember, do not sign anything until you are completely satisfied with what you see. A great realtor, your realtor might have insight into the builder's reputation. A realtor can provide valuable insights into the reputation and the track record of the builder. They may have knowledge of the builder's past projects, customer satisfaction levels, and any potential issues or red flags to be aware of. This information can help you make a more informed decision about whether to proceed with the purchase or not. They can have recommendation for inspections. You know what? While new construction homes undergo inspections during the building process, it's still very wise to have an independent inspection before closing. Your realtor can recommend reputable inspectors and coordinate the inspection process to ensure that the home meets quality standards and it's free of defects or construction issues. Expert guidance. Buying a new construction home involves unique considerations compared to purchasing an existing home. So your realtor can provide expert guidance and advice specific to new construction, such as understanding builder warranties, selecting upgrades that add value, and navigating the construction timeline and process. So bringing a realtor with you when visiting builder homes sites ensures that you have professional representation and support throughout your home buying journey. Their expertise, negotiation skills, and advocacy can help you make informed decisions and achieve the best possible experience possible. Their expertise, negotiation skills, and advocacy can help you make informed decisions and achieve the best possible outcome when purchasing a new construction home. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video very useful, and if you haven't done so, please click subscribe and like, and leave a comment down below. My information is listed in the description. If you have any additional real estate questions, please give me a call. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.